Hello, once again, welcome to a Digital Pro affiliate platform. So now I want to quickly show us how we can log into our affiliate dashboard. So let's go to our browser. So just go to adigitalpro.xyz. So you get to the landing website page. Then you can click on affiliate dashboard. Click on affiliate dashboard. So all you have to do is click on login. So you can click on login and use the username and the login detail that was sent to your email. But you can change the password by clicking on lost your password, and then you can change your password to a very easy password to remember. So let me log in. So now I've been able to log in. So now that you are logging, let me quickly tell you the first thing that you need to understand on your affiliate dashboard is how to get your affiliate link. How to get your affiliate link. Now that we have completed our registration, now that we know how we can log into our affiliate dashboard, I want to quickly show us how to get our affiliate link and how to use our affiliate link to shop the entire marketplace. Also, how to use our affiliate link to shop for a single product on the affiliate course library. So let's get starting. So the first thing you have to do is to open your browser. So now we have opened the Digital Pro. You can get to the by going to adigitalpro.xyz, or you can go to adigitalpro.yolasite.com. So now just scroll down a little bit, scroll down a little bit, scroll down a little bit. Can you see this affiliate progress report? Affiliate progress report. So now click on affiliate progress report. So I want to show us how we can get our affiliate link. So now you are going to put your email address in this affiliate email. The email address that you used to register, just type in the email address here. Then click on search. Then click on search. So now here we have, you have your affiliate link, and other information. So we have your affiliate link. Then you also have what we call your sponsor coupon number. This coupon number is very important. So you also have your sponsor coupon number. So you can give your affiliate sponsor number to whoever that want to register as an affiliate with you. And you can also use your affiliate link to sell courses and digital content on the Digital Pro course library. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to copy the entire affiliate link. If you want to give a link to anyone to purchase any digital content from a Digital Pro marketplace, so you are going to copy this entire affiliate link. So let's click on copy. So you can open any browser and paste it. If you open any browser and paste it there, you will get to a Digital Pro marketplace. So we can just click on new tab and then paste the link. Paste the link and then press enter on the keyboard. So if you give your link to anybody, the person will get to the Digital Pro marketplace, and the person can be able to choose any product to buy. So now, as you can see, you can scroll down to see courses that are available. More courses are still coming on board. So we have a solar course, we have a digital marketing course, we have e-commerce exclusive e-commerce genius course. So we have courses that are coming. We have video editing basic with Premiere Pro. We have web design mentorship program and a lot of other courses. So now, if you give your link to anyone, whatever the person purchases on the marketplace, the affiliate commission and profit will be remitted to your affiliate dashboard. So having said that, it's not advisable for you to drop a link to the entire marketplace. So it is always advisable that you choose a product. It is always advisable that you choose a product and you are selling a particular product. So let's say, for example, you decide to be selling just this web design mentorship program. So now we want to look at how you can create an affiliate link that can be used to sell just only this course. An affiliate link that can be used to sell just only this web design mentorship program. So the first thing we want to do is click on the let's go back first. Let's go back. So let's go back. If you want, let's quickly go back and get the affiliate link again. So from the marketplace, you can click on menu and you click on home. Okay, now so scroll down. You can scroll down. You can just scroll down. You can scroll down. So if you click on home, you get to this page, and you can scroll down as well. So the same way, you can put your email, the email that you used to register. Just put the email here. So, and click on search. Click on search. So the same way, you are going to have the affiliate link. So now, but we want to generate a link for just one particular digital product, for just only one course. So now you are going to copy just this last link. So this is the link, this last element of the link, starting from question mark. This is what you will copy. This last element of the link, starting from this question mark, just copy from this question mark to the end. Just copy this. This is the only thing you need. So now let's go back to our marketplace. So you can click on menu. You can click on menu to go back to the marketplace. Click on menu. Then we can click on course library. So if you click on course library, we will get to this place. So now this is the course library. Now recall I told us if you want to sell just only one course, let's assume you decide to sell this. So now let's assume you want to sell just this solar course. Then let's go to this place where we can see the link to this solar course. Click on it. Then click on edit if you are using Chrome. Click on edit if you are using Chrome. Now this is the supposed link to this product. This is the link to this product. All you have to do is to copy the link out. Then copy the link. Let's paste it somewhere. Let's just paste it somewhere. So we can paste the link on a notepad. So let's go back to copy the end part of our affiliate link. Click on home. So then type your email and click on search. So we need just this end part, not all, just this starting from this question mark. Then we copy. Let's go back to the link. Then we paste the end part after this link. Now this entire link now is a unique affiliate link for a particular product that can sell just only one product. So if you copy this entire link now, if you paste it on any browser, so you can open any browser, so anyone that use this affiliate link will be able to successfully purchase just this product. Let's paste it here. And press enter. So this affiliate link is a unique link. It's a unique link that sell only this solar course. So anybody that have this link will be able to use this link to purchase this just only this course from you. So that is how to generate a unique link for just only a course. So before I end this, let me quickly teach you if you want to know about a product. So like from here, let's just go to the course library. So if you want to know more about any products, you can just scroll up and click on any of the products. For example, if you click on this e-commerce genius course, so if you click on it, so this one will give you opportunity to read, to know everything about the course, so that you can know what to tell, what to sell, so that you can know how to sell the product. So this information now stand as a product sales page. So you can go to menu and go to course library. You can click on any of the course and read the information about the course. For example, if you click on this solar course once again, so you can scroll down. You will get all the information about this course as well. So this is how you can get your affiliate link and what you can do with your affiliate link.